Alright, man, they finally done with it. So, y'all want to see it? 3, 2, 1. What's jamming? It's your boy Dre, you hear me? And this is one of them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to step on them notifications. And if you real, ring that bell. It's real without fake on every scale. You hear me?
Yeah. It's Dre. Young Stretch.
Ready?
To follow. Maybe it's the truth. Okay, I pull up to the thing. Yeah. Watch these bitches do. Yeah. Maybe it's the follow. Maybe it's the truth.
She see a nigga out here flexing. Got my name up on my necklace and my name up on the flyer, so my name ain't on the guest list. I'm with some wild niggas and we out here living reckless. Sipping on some syrup in Cali like we in Texas. St. Louis better pack your vests. New York better tuck your necklace. Chicago niggas hectic. Don't ever disrespect it, or you can lose your life over this game just like a death wish. But I'ma keep my head to the sky, receive these blessings.
See, on today's video, we have Morales Kustoms. About to come get some work done. I just pulled up with, you already know, 392 Nikki baby. She about to go get her wicked build done. She just got some sick stuff. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for the rest of the video to see that. But I came out here to get a couple things done. I just snatched the hood off my, I just snatched the wrap off my hood. That's what I meant to say. I just snatched the wrap off my hood. So new look coming soon. Stormy about to get a new look, man. Y'all stay tuned. Comment down below what y'all think I done to the car. Like I just did some shit to the car. I only came out here for tire stickers because I got new tires, but I did some extra stuff to the car. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, we almost had 1,000 views on Jesse Morales. I said, and it was a clickbait. I know y'all seen. I said, well, I don't know what I said. I went to Morales and I can't believe this happened. And they looked and it was, I got my shit out my car done. Like, dummy.
Treezo, Dre Trey. Treezo, Dre Trey. You already know how I'm coming, man. Free Lil K. Treezo, smoke free my murders, nigga. Treezo. We on the mission, dressing all black, and we got the pills too. You want to smoke? Then we come and get you. We gonna dish it, break out the tear shit. Mama gon' miss. Too many shots on this Glock to miss. Just smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in. We on the mission, dressing all black, and we got the pistols. You want to smoke? Then we come and get you. We gonna dish it, break out the tear shit. Mama gon' miss. Too many shots on this Glock to miss. Just smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in.
I was spaz, I was Mookie. Any miss the shooter dookie. Glock Tay rolling goofies. Savage always keeps the toolie. I hang with dogs like I'm Scooby. Finesse and strap and feel goofy. And I'm a loc but I'm a dookie. I'm in the kitchen, bitch, I'm whipping work. Off a couple vice, off a couple perks. Talking tough and get your family hurt. Call money folks to put them in the dirt. But if he holding on a lot of work, put that iron to him like a fucking shirt. But you better not move cause that fit for blast. I fold his ass like a pearl pan. Call Dolo nigga, fuck Moto nigga. Shot on 9-6 and 1-4 little nigga. All these hunters won't fold little nigga. Trade 2 free smoke local little nigga. Pulled over Duke Loco niggas, then pulled over Sambo niggas. Shoulda seen how they broke on niggas. Dre trading on the poke little nigga. Scuffs on my products, you know I be trapping. Put me in a booth like fingers, I'm snapping that fin hitters. We make it flip like gymnastics. We come with tactics, box a man, then you know it ain't tragic. 100 round Call of Duty intelligent. Pull off for the straight, ain't tragic. Like fear and these niggas be capping.
We on the mission, dressing all black, and we got the pills too. You want to smoke? Then we come and get you. We gonna dish it, break out the tear shit. Mama gon' miss. Too many shots on this Glock to miss. Just smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in. We on the mission, dressing all black, and we got the pistols. You want to smoke? Then we come and get you. We gonna dish it, break out the tear shit. Mama gon' miss. Too many shots on this Glock to miss. Just smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in this. Smoke your mans, then we roll them in.
By the way, I see y'all be watching the videos, but y'all haven't been liking. So right now, I'm gonna need y'all to like this video. Like, take time out right now. Just like this video. Like the views, I'm getting the views up, but the likes ain't there. So like this video right now and stay tuned and watch the rest of this video, this B-roll and all this good content.
Mook made it. Come here, little bitch, let me taste it. Gon' shake it. Bend over, little bitch, try to break it. Can you take it? I'm off this hand in this honey, can you take it? Lost hit the lights, it's a race. Lost hit the lights, it's a chase. YT lit, take a henny to the face. 3 up top, bitch, I'm hanging with them grapes. But them niggas more like 8. Stock up the case, tell that bitch to a Drake.
Red key, man. Who want it? And my guy, man, from Shot Town, man. Say, hey, man, y'all come get this motherfucker, man. Red key in it, man. Come get it. That thing pressure, boy. Yes, sir. I ain't really lucky.
I'm ordering for you. I don't want to put your decal. I want to order the one I like.
That thing pressure, boy. As I can see, I'm not really vlogging like that because they play music up in there, so y'all just gonna have to enjoy this video. Go watch it.
She wanna pop that pussy for me, she a whole slut. Baby, hold up, can't nobody do it like I do. Yeah, 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 big old money, bigger bands.
Alright, man, they finally done with it, so y'all wanna see it? 3, 2, 1.
Much money in my hands. Yeah, she gon' dance for these bands. Yeah, yeah. Big old money, bigger bands. Yeah, so much money in my hands. face. This life shit hard, but I swear I'm a cheat code. That's why these niggas hate, like I'm slaving some priest clothes. I'll hook a nigga and drag him, doing a repo. Or I'll shoot twice like I'm shooting some free throws. Who know? We know, been in them streets. She know, he don't have a problem with me. She gon' come over cause I'm trying to see some. And she know this don't mean now I just got all these bands. I know this girl is a fan. He claiming that he is a man. Yeah, she here with her friends. They just want that bread twisted up like a croissant. And we got a discount on them hoes, that's a Groupon. Who won? Need that hair with my shoes on, period.
This thing is sick. Pressure. Who hit it? Who hit the bags? They do it from the phone. What happened? Big Hellcat. Oh, this thing is sick. If y'all go to my last video, this car was like over there and it was stripped. Like it didn't have nothing in the engine, nothing. I don't think nothing. It was stripped like all the way down. So now this car is put back together. Pressure.
You got to stop.
Yeah. Whew. With the stars in the roof and even on the sunroof. Bro, that is pressure. Man, look at the inside, bro. Look at the detail. That diamond padding, bro.
Kitty cat. Playing with that kitty cat.
Look at the details in that, man. Look at the dash. The steering wheel. This thing is pressure, bro. Check out the details, man. Look. It's the details, dog. I gotta come to Morales Kustoms, man. Come get your work done. This how it's gonna happen.
I'm wildin' and styling my thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand.
Let's get this channel going so we can start doing stuff. Woo.